Great, so it's Thursday. By now, we should have role-played our character Natala. We should have planned our diary and written it in the order that our plan was telling us to. So today, if you haven't got that far, try and get to that point. And we are going to try and edit and improve our writing. Okay, so the first step is to go through your plan and make sure that everything you wanted to include, you have included. You've included all those key events, you haven't missed any out. Okay, the first big thing you need to do is to get a dictionary and check your spelling. So this is where if you've put dotted lines underneath words, they'd be the first ones you'd look up because they're the ones you've already identified you're not sure about how to spell. The next step is really to check all spellings. Anything that's on our year 3 and 4 word lists, which are also available on Padlet, should be spelled accurately. They should be your focus when you're writing. They are being spelled accurately. So make sure you go back and check through all your spellings. Edit in a different colour. Like we do at school, we use a red pen. Edit in a different colour because it will show you where the corrections are that you've made. It's also really important to read your work aloud because this will do two things. This will help you to check it makes sense. Only by reading it aloud will you know if it makes sense. And also if your punctuation is accurate. Because if you're reading accurately, you'll be pausing in the right places and you'll know where the punctuation needs to be. Those are really important parts of editing and improving. The final part is more about what you have written. And that's going back to the features poster and using that to improve your sentences, to make sure you've added as much detail and description using senses. Okay, have you used all those emotional language to put across how the character is feeling? So this part is a really important part of writing. It's the one part I think we find the hardest, but it's the part that authors spend most of their time doing, is improving their writing, getting their second draft, their third draft done. So you have a go, and I'd love to see a copy of your work with all the coloured annotations on showing what you've changed. So good luck, guys.